Alexa, lights on. Good morning. Good morning from Droneville here in the burbs of Baltimore. Hope everybody is doing well. Just checking in. Got some new shirts. Check it out. This thing's really cool. I'll post a photo. You gotta read it. It's a little mirrored right now with a selfie image. But anywho, some new shirts. Sent those out to all of our awesome customers who've purchased machines from us in the past so that they can have some cool swag on set, and it answers some common questions as well. Anywho, today is going to be chock full of wrenching, mainly pre-assembly wrenching. So like putting things together so that way when it's time to install them on the drone, they're already completed. So that's a huge help. Also, there's a drone camp going on just down the street, one of the STEM program academies. So I'm gonna go drop in on them and take one of the big drones and show the kids. So that'll be really cool. But anyway, busy day today. Here we go. So we're heading to drone camp. So there's a really cool STEM kind of academy down the road, and they've got a drone camp going on this week. I don't know how old the campers are, how much drone experience they have, but we're bringing this guy for a little demo and a little talk. So we just finished here at the Star Academy in Timonium, Maryland, and this place is awesome. So they have a summer camp going on. There's probably 60 kids, 50 kids, doing everything from drones to robotics to computer programming to 3D printing. It was awesome. So if I was a kid, I would have loved to go here. But anyway, here's what I found. Small children really want to fly in these drones. That was the most number one asked question by far. Can you fly me? So I don't personally have the stomach nor the liability insurance to cover flying small children in drones, but I believe that could be a viable business option. If somebody wants to do that business model, have at it. But it was really cool. Really enjoyed that. Spacers for days. So today, everybody is doing their job. He's being a good boy, he's doing his job. Done for the day. Super productive day. Couldn't really ask for any more. Got a lot of wrenching done. We got 3 more machines up on the build, as well as 2 or 3 after that. Things are really picking up here, so it's been great. And super big shout out and thank you to any of our current customers. You guys are amazing. Just really enjoying putting machines together and making this happen for you guys. So yeah, today was great. Really enjoyed chatting with the kids. Man, they were hysterical. But I think little drone camps and STEM programs like that what Star Academy is doing is so cool. I'd love to see those kind of everywhere. But anyway, from my illustrious 4-legged coworker and I, done for the day. Have a good one, everyone. Alexa, lights off. Peace.